Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Olabisi, a Yoruba tutor, and today we'll learn how to pronounce the Yoruba consonants in a very easy way. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. So let's quickly dive into learning today. So just like I've mentioned in my last videos, the Yoruba alphabet consists of 18 consonants and 7 vowels. So let's dive straight into learning the pronunciation. The first one is B. B. It is written and pronounced as letter B in English language. So it's very straightforward. B. B. The second one is D. D. Just as the same in English language as well. So D. D. Then the next one is Fi. Fi. It is pronounced as almost same thing with letter V in English, but not that the stress, the emphatic stress is not that much. So fi, not v, fi, almost same thing. So the next one is gi, as if you want to say gil, Gill, Gill. So gi. Next one is b. This is very like to give the right pronunciation is somehow hard, but then I got you. It's just as if you are banging the door. Yeah, banging the door. B. So that b, that sound, yeah, b. Exactly. Then the next one is e. It is pronounced as letter E in English language. So E. And we have G, just as letter G pronunciation in English language as well. G. Then we have ki, as you want to say kill, ki. Then the next one is li, as you want to say lip, li. We have me. That is like me, me, but the tone is kind of different. So me, and we have ni, as if you are saying new. So ni, new, or even new, yeah, new, knee. So the kn there, new, ni, and we have p, almost as the pronunciation of p in English language, but kind of different. It's slight differences there. So pit. Then we have re, just like read. So read. We have C. This pronounced as letter C in English language. So C. Then we have she. It is written as this formal letter, so but it has a dot under, so that's what differentiates it. So she, it is pronounced as SH. She. The next one is T. This is pronounced as the same letter T in English language as well. So T. Then we have we, as if you are saying we, W-E, we. So we. Then the last one is yi, as if you want to say yid. So yi, yid. Now we've come to the end of the Yoruba consonant pronunciation. If you are still here by now, that means you are learning, and I would love you to subscribe to this channel. That's the only thing you can do for me. Like, thank you very much as you do, and you like this video as well. Comment what you would like to see next, what you would like to learn next as well, so I can put down into work. And thank you so much for watching to this moment. Bye. Love you. Bye.